Bonjour et bienvenue en French learning classes. So today in this video I will tell you about the professions in French. Okay, that what professions do you speak in French? Okay, so firstly let me tell you that what the word profession called in French. Okay, so another name of profession is métier. Okay, un métier. METIER, un métier, which means the professions. Okay, and you can also say un travail, which means the work, or you can say professions. Okay, and in this, the informal way of professions is un boulot. Okay, un boulot. So this also means that the profession, but you will say un boulot in informal way. Okay, so now we start about the professions one by one. Okay, number one is un actor, which means an actor, un actor, and the female version is une actrice, which means an actress. Okay, un acteur, une actrice. Now second is un astronaute, and une astronaute. Okay, there's a spelling is same in both cases. Un astronaute, which means astronaut. Now third one is un boulanger, which means baker, masculine baker, un boulanger. And feminine one, for feminine one we will say une boulangère, okay, un boulanger and une boulangère, which means the baker. Okay, now afterwards un boucher, which means butcher, un boucher, and feminine, for feminine, une bouchère. Now next is un charpentier, which means a carpenter, un charpentier. Okay, now next one is un facteur, which means postman. Okay, un facteur, and for post women we use institutrice. Okay, un facteur, institutrice. Now next is un plombier, which means plumber, un plombier. Now un dentiste and une dentiste. Okay, we use same spelling for both cases, masculine and feminine. Un dentiste and une dentiste, which means dentist. Okay, and afterwards un médecin, which means doctor. Okay, un médecin is used for male doctor and une médecin is used for female doctor. Un médecin, une médecin, which means doctor. And now un électricien and une électricienne, which means electrician. Okay, un électricien, une électricienne. Okay, now on répète encore fois about the professions. Okay, so number one is un acteur, une actrice, un astronaute, un charpentier, un boulanger, une boulangère, un boucher, une bouchère, un facteur, une factrice, un dentiste, une dentiste, un médecin, un médecin, un électricien, une électricienne. Now, number 11. Un ingénieur, un ingénieur, which means an engineer. Un ingénieur, and for female we use une ingénieur. Okay, so spelling is same in both cases, but there is a difference of article. So un ingénieur is used for masculine and une ingénieur is used for feminine. So that means engineer. Okay. Now next is un pompier. Un pompier, which means fireman. Un pompier. Now un pharmacien, and une pharmacienne. So un pharmacien is used for male pharmacist. Okay, this means pharmacist. And for female one we used une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Okay, which means pharmacist. Now un mécanicien and une mécanicienne. Okay, which means mechanic. Un mécanicien, une mécanicienne. Okay. Now next is un infirmier, which means nurse. Okay, so here for me, okay, we can say doctor servant. We use un infirmier, and for female, which we called nurse, we used une infirmière. Une infirmière. Okay. Now afterwards, un avocat, which means a lawyer, and une avocate, which means also a lawyer, but une avocate is used for feminine lawyer. Okay, une avocate and un avocat. Now un peintre, which means a painter. Un peintre, and un peintre or une peintre is used for painter, but une peintre is used for female painter and un peintre is used for male painter. So painter, un peintre, une peintre. Now un instituteur, and une institutrice. Okay, une institutrice, which means an instructor or school teacher. Okay, un instituteur and une institutrice. Next is un coiffeur and une coiffeuse. Un coiffeur, une coiffeuse. Okay, which means hairdresser or barber. Okay. And the last one is un cuisinier and une cuisinière, which means cook. Un cuisinier is used for male and une cuisinière is used for female cook. Okay. Now we will repeat from 11 to 20 professions name. Okay, so number 11 is un ingénieur and une ingénieur. Un plombier, un avocat, une avocate, un peintre, une peintre, un pharmacien, une pharmacienne, un mécanicien, une mécanicienne, un infirmière, une infirmière, un coiffeur, une coiffeuse, un instituteur, une institutrice, et ensuite un cuisinier, une cuisinière. So these were your professions in French. Okay, so you will learn it, pronouncing it. Okay, and yes, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video with People who want to learn French and who want to interest in French, learn. And yes, also press the bell icon for more videos. Okay. Okay, so till then, take care, and I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.